Hi, do you have a story for me? Oh yeah? You're gonna say that I am going to my 2-month doctor appointment today. And I just put on a 6-month outfit. I know, it was a lot to say. Yeah. Alright, now we're gonna go eat. Bye-bye.